the signal tracer module. For demonstrations, I hooked it up to the CB microphone tester just to get some audio in it. Very basic. I have attenuation, 30 dB, 20 dB, 40, 60 dB, which is 10, 100 and 1000 times reduction of the input. Volume, let's see if I get something. There's now a mute, so I can unmute it. So I have a little view meter as well. I can turn on the scope. And there's also an RF switch, RF AF. So just a very basic signal tracer. A look at the signal tracer module. In front of the display, one rotary encoder, one volume control, and an input speaker. ESP32, relay controller, ULN203. The actual amplifier part is up here, TDA 2822 in bridge mode. We want a little bit more gain, so we have a quad op-amp here, which we use to create more gain, and also condition the signal for the analog digital converter in the ESP, for the oscilloscope and the view meter. We have a couple of relays in here. With this one I can shut down the amplifier part, so I also use that to mute the amplifier as well as shutting it down. I remove the power from it as well. I can set the attenuation here. It's 20, 40 and 60 dB, which is 110, 100 and 1000. Also an RF demodulator part and a relay for that. Large coupler cap, so I can have some substantial DC, and a small one in the back for the RF part as well. So the idea was to have a high ohm input, same as they used to have in the old days. So I have a 1 mega ohm input. The disadvantage is that it will pick up a lot of noise. So I had to shield a lot of the cables. I have some extreme shielding on the pot meter for the volume. That was causing the most issues. It will pick up the signals from the display, and also shielded the cable to the speaker, because for some reason it was also sensitive to some noise. So overall it works. Mixing analog and digital is not a good idea. Maybe I make another one later on, but for now it works. It's more or less stable. I could get most of the noise out. I have to sacrifice a little bit of the gain to do that, but overall, yeah, it does what it needs to do for now. Not extremely powerful, small 2-watt speaker, and the TDA is not so great. The power by 5 volts to keep the heat down. I will put a small heatsink on it anyway. And that's about it for the signal tracer.